Okay, today we're ready for a new first stage clean out. Well, it's not new, but we're going to do this quick clean out. And you've already seen some of the rocks, so I'll just do it kind of quick. Might even pause some of this, cut it out, and just show you the rocks that are ready to go on for the next stage, and maybe I'll just show you what I'm throwing in to continue on. Alright, first I'm going to take my thumb, screw things here off, and I'll have to rinse the top, the rubber part stuff, and then I'll get into the rocks. Right. As you can see, stuff on the outer part. Hope there's not a hole on this, but so long as it doesn't leak out, I guess it's okay still. I'm going to rinse this metal cover off and the rubber seal here too. Okay, I looked at the gasket, inspected it. I didn't see any holes in it, but I can tell that might have had too much stuff in here, so I probably won't add any rocks this next time. But how much I get out, because this was right on the top and it seems like it's in here pretty good. So hopefully there's still liquid. I feel liquid in there, so it should be alright. But I'm going to start pulling some of this out and get it rinsed out. So once I move these two rocks out, the big rock will be fine. I was able to get it out. And I feel down here, these feel like they were plenty of liquid. You can see the liquid here. So they should have been okay. But back to rinsing now. Right, I had to empty my bucket. It's not a very big bucket, but fits underneath here fine. The strainer fits in there great, so with this big one, but can't do it outside. I sometimes have to do it, or most of the time I have to do it twice. I used to have, I think I had another bucket somewhere, but I think I'm using it for something else. But anyways, it's right enough now. I can pour it. Okay, but I'm going to rinse it, and you can see I've got a lot of stones I didn't get past. So far only 2 small stones. We'll see what's in this batch. Okay, I'll finish the cleaning. Nice and clean. Just want to make sure I reiterate real good to you that make sure you don't throw or pour down any of your grit down in the sink. It could be very costly. You get your plumbing blocked up, so don't do that. And I'll rinse these again before I put them in, but that's all that I got. There's like 5 pieces there, small pieces that I didn't reject to go back in the first stage. So I'm just gonna set that there to the side. I'm gonna get some my Tumble media, but here's all the rocks I'm gonna redo again. They look good, but they got imperfections. And if you've been following along, you'll know that this here is my biggest specimen I've ever run through here, so it's kind of pushing the limits. It's quite big. So I want to get my media and whatever else I need to do this. Be right back. Alright, so I'll be putting the rocks back in, but if I decide to add more media, I'll put the ceramic pellets in. The larger size one, smaller size one, but with the 5-pound bag. But with the bigger rocks in the first stage, use more of the bigger ones because eventually they're gonna get small. But as you can see, there's probably some different size ones in there, but most of the big ones have been pulverized over time, and there's some leftover stones in here. So it won't matter because it's part of the grinding process. And I'll be putting in my borax. Oh, that's not borax. That's borax. The other stuff, I guess I didn't put away. Should have. And my step 1 60 grit. So let me get my stones in and I'll be back. I'll show you this one rose quartz here. It's almost done. It's just a little imperfection right here. Hopefully the next time it'll be done, maybe. We'll see. Here's another rock I want to show you. This is a native rock. This thing's going to turn out real nice. But somewhere over here, I think is where the imperfections are. It's close. Alright, I added a couple handfuls of ceramic meteor. Just about as much as you want in there. So I'm not adding any more stones this time. I'll get a good tumble. I'm going to add my borax first. About 14 teaspoons here of this I put in. Teaspoons? Yep, teaspoons. I don't think there's a exact science to this. But with the grit, you want to be more precise just because it's a lot more costly. I lost count, but that should be enough. And that was the borax soap. Now, I'm going to put this over toward the edge to see any spillage. Now this is the 60 grit. I'm going to put a cup in. This is a half cup I'm using, so I'll put 2 of these in. It's not quite full, but I'll just add a tiny bit more. Trick is not to spill it and get it on your gasket or on the kitchen. Alright, just add a little more. Close that up. I'm just going to add some cool water to it. this up a little bit. Did a good job this time, not splashing anything up on the edge. So you want to pour this in slowly too, so you don't bounce the grit on the edge. Don't worry about the bars clumping up. The rocks will grind it all down. A couple turns, get it all mixed in. No more. Right, it's good enough. If you can see it, water level is just you see it? What other rocks there? You make a clean gasket on first. So put it this way. Other side's got moisture still on it. Might change this out soon. If I see more leakage, I'll change it out. I've had it for a long time. I'll just order another one so it's on hand. So I'm going to throw these on loosely, and I'll tighten these alternately opposite of each other. And then it's ready for the tumble. I'll put it on for another 2 weeks. It's a lot of work though. Seems easy enough to do, but still work. Alright, just look at my tiny bit first. Alright, so I'm just going to be right up there, this one up, the opposite here, this one, opposite, the opposite. And I use a cloth just to help me get push down on it a little bit. A little bit better grip. Save your hands. Right, should be good. Just gonna dry up a little bit. And I'll put it right on the tumble. And hopefully it'll be more advanced this next time. Alright, thanks for watching this one. See you in a little bit.